hostels in Cairo. Which one should you stay at? I've been here for a month and a half and have stayed at many different hostels while in the city. I have a favorite, of course, but in this video I show you 2 different hostels that are at the top of my list, and at the end of the video I give you my opinion on that. I've met a lot of other travelers who also agree with me on this point, thinking that the hostel that I like the most is also their favorite, and they have had several different experiences with hostels in Cairo specifically. In case you don't know, a hostel is like a hotel, except there are dorm rooms instead of private rooms typically. Or usually hostels have dorms and private rooms, but dorms are the big point of people coming. And a dorm is just a shared room with usually 6 to 8 beds, bunk beds typically, and they're a lot cheaper in price. They will range from $3 to $6 to $10 to $12 depending on the country, but roughly around that price, or 20 if you're in Europe, perhaps 20 euros. But I've seen hostels in Vietnam for $3 a night, in Egypt $6 a night. So it's a great way to meet other travelers if you're solo traveling. A lot of times they will book tours for you at very good rates because there's so many people that join that tour with you.
وامسك لي جمعة ولا تحوجاش لي كفة شيء بالمرة.
And then I go back to Cairo.
Le riz est trop poivré. Many times they have free breakfast. They have a common room, a kitchen where you can make your own food if you want. It's a great way for traveling. Even if you have a couple of friends, I prefer staying in dorms because I don't mind, but you know, they have the option of private rooms as well. So, all right, yalla with the video. Check out the 2 favorite hostels I have in Cairo. Good morning, guys, from Cairo, Egypt. I am going to show you the hostel I've been staying in so you can have an idea of the prices of a place in downtown Cairo if you're interested in staying in a hostel and not a hotel. So I'm staying in downtown Cairo and the place is called Holy Sheet. Holy Sheet. Let's go check it out. This is the elevator. And in Egypt, the elevator sometimes look like this. Pretty old school. You have to make sure to close the doors. Or the elevator will not work, will not move rather. And, okay, second floor is the reception. So we'll pop in here quick. They have some dorm rooms down here, but most are upstairs, so working nice. I could walk. I guess I'll walk. Let's go to the 4th floor. So this dorm is around 100 and something a night Egyptian, which is around $6, I believe. $6-7 US. They have free breakfast, which is served as a buffet style. And this is the second reception. Hey, أختي. صباح الخير. She's cute. Yeah. She's like, no, don't film me. So, miss. So we have breakfast, vegetables, cheese, jam, bananas, eggs, bread, free breakfast, orange juice and coffee, and then the common room area. ازيك يا اسطى؟ ازيك يا اسطى؟ عامل ايه؟ I'm doing a quick tour of the hostel. This is what's nice. So
We're Egyptians. What can I say? We're Egyptians.
welcome to Egypt. Okay, I'm gonna give the rest of the tour. Ma salama. So bathrooms. Nice waterfall shower hoods, hot water. You know, Asia style bathroom. Shower and toilet in one. And they have many bathrooms, so you're not gonna be waiting to use a single or two bathrooms in a hostel, which sometimes happens. This is my dorm. For now. I move a lot in different rooms. Hola, estoy haciendo un video, ¿está bien?
Sí.
Oh, okay, bueno. So this is the dorm. This is actually my bed. So you have outlets, a little personal light, curtains, privacy curtains, which is nice. And yeah, outside balcony. About a 5-minute walk from Tahrir Square, and maybe about same distance to go to the Egyptian Museum and Khana Khalili Market or the bazaar, which is maybe like a 20-minute walk. Depends on how slow you walk and the traffic, but nice view, free breakfast. Hola, ¿quieres hacer hola a mi canal?
Ya. Hola.
Estamos en este cuarto. Oh, I should speak English. So we're in this dorm. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 beds, and nice balcony overlooking the city. Free breakfast, hot water, comfortable beds, and most importantly for me, the social aspect of a hostel is some hostels don't have a lot of people in them and it's pretty quiet, but there's always stuff happening, so you have other solo travelers and meeting people and just having some company if you choose to be social. And of course the staff are amazing here. Another reason to enjoy a place, And this is the kitchen area. So people are cooking here, and you store your food in the fridge, and So that's Holy Sheet. That's one of the hostels in Cairo for $6 a night, and a dorm room, a dorm bed. So come to Cairo. Welcome to Egypt. Okay, this is outside Dahab Hostel. I think maybe it's 7 a.m. And there is a lift. To the garden and kitty cat. Hi. You. I love you. Hi. Hi, my friends. Yes. Just a kitty cat. Sorry. Oh, his foot's caught. I am in a dorm room. It's $6 a night. This is my bed. So if you spend $6, you will get a dorm room, and there are many. I'm in a mixed dorm. And this hostel has a beautiful rooftop. Let's go explore that. Okay, tons of cats. Lots and lots of cats. So they have a huge courtyard, and it's kind of like a maze when you're walking through. So it's a very good location in downtown Cairo. There are many options for accommodation, and they're all roughly around $6 a night for a dorm. Private rooms will be more. I have not stayed in one. I think we could probably find something pretty cheap. I found things for $25, but I'm sure there are places for less for a private room. Hello. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the bathrooms. Toilet, what else do you need? Showers. Water? Yep. Living their lives. Good morning. Hay más baños. And now we have come back to where I started going up the stairs. There is more up. This is really like a maze. Hi, I love you. Yes, you're such a good kitty. Okay, so some people hanging out. I don't want to bother them, but it's a very, very nice outside space in Cairo. Kind of like a little haven, a garden. So this This is the accommodation that you can get in Cairo for $6 a night in a dorm room. And there are many hostels for around this price. Come to Egypt. Holy sheet! So obviously both of these hostels made the top of my list for a reason. They're both great, but Holy Sheet won for me because of several different factors. Number one factor is the social aspect. And every time I've been here, there is such a community happening. Everyone's talking, hanging out, we're going to bars or just having a good time together. And maybe the fact that Dahab Hostel is a little bit bigger with the rooftop area means that people can kind of spread out more, whereas while Holy Sheet has a smaller communal area, it brings people together. And so that is my favorite reason, or one of my favorite reasons for Holy Sheet. There is also a very big reason, which is the staff. The staff are amazing, hilarious. A lot of them have become friends of mine.
Chicken boy.
Oh, chicken. He is chicken boy.
We're mainly all about love. We love the people, we love helping people, we love talking to people, and we love making friends.
They're willing to help you in many different areas. We even walk you to certain places, tell you the best restaurants, and teach me a little bit of Arabic, and they have great tours. So the staff is a huge reason for me loving the hostel as well. And then there's some other factors where when I stayed at Dahab Hostel, the water cut out a few times, and it was cold also when I used it, and Holy Sheet doesn't seem to have that problem. The hot water's hot, it flows nicely, and that's a huge factor for me as well when I want to take a shower. Also, the kitchen area is beautiful, and it has a lot of good pots and pans. People are always cooking in there. The staff cook food sometimes and share it.
ممكن تحط الجبنة هنا؟
It's delicious, as Alex mentioned, the chicken. And so there's so many reasons. It's a great balcony view. It's very close to Tahrir Square, Talat Harb. I love the location. Both hostels are quite close to each other, but I do love this location more as well. And the privacy curtains are nice. As you saw in Dahab Hostel, they don't have privacy curtains. And that is very nice when you need to be able to just, you know, seclude yourself for a moment and maybe work on your laptop or just have a moment of privacy, because as travelers, we know you're staying in hostels all over the place. You're always mingling with people, and sometimes you want to be able to just have a moment to yourself. So lots of reasons for loving both hostels, but for sure the winner for me is Holy Sheet, and a lot of people I met that went to Dahab Hostel did come back to Holy Sheet, so I'm not the only one that has this opinion.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
You're always welcome to come here with the best hostel in Cairo.
But enough said. Thank you so much for coming along with the tours of the hostels in Cairo with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, check out my Patreon, and have a great day. Come to Egypt.